A healthy digestive system produces a healthy body and a healthy mind. The Indian systems of medicine consider that most of the disorders and diseases arise out of a malfunctioning of the digestive system. It is taught that the disorders of psychosomatic nature, the Adija Vyadhi, they settle down in the body as disorders and diseases due to either underdigestion, ajiranattvam, overdigestion, atijiranatvam, or wrong digestion, kujiranatvam. Correction of digestive disorders is essential for overall health. Healthy pranic flow into the abdominal area produces healthy digestion, and healthy digestion produces good health at all levels of existence. In this presentation, we introduce the Surya Namaskar, an excellent practice to help normalize the metabolic function of the body. The Surya Namaskar helps the digestive system function at its best. Different asanas that improve the circulation in the abdominal region are also introduced. Practices such as the Pavan Mukta that help to release the gas that may have accumulated in the intestines is also introduced. A very important practice, the Janu Sirasa Sarvangasana, is also introduced. This helps improve the function of the liver. The liver is the mainstay in the digestive process, and when the liver is healthy, digestion is healthy. Different pranayamas such as the Kukriya pranayama, where we simulate the dog pant, and when we do that dog panting breathing, we are stimulating the diaphragm. When the diaphragm moves up and down, a healthy massage of all the abdominal organs is produced. Many of the digestive disorders are stress-based, and many of them can be relieved just by the yogic relaxation. Yogic relaxation, the pranayama practice, and the meditative practices help reduce the stress that may have caused the digestive imbalance. We have given many practices in this presentation. You may not be able to do all of them at the same time. We advise that you consult a qualified yoga therapist. They will be able to guide you as to how to make a schedule out of these practices. A schedule that depends on your age, gender, and physical abilities. Such a schedule, when practiced regularly with dedication, surely will provide healthy digestive system. And as I said earlier, a healthy digestive system gives us a healthy life, and a healthy life is surely a happy life. I wish you all the best in this journey from that state of ill health to the dynamic state of optimal good health. Namaskar.